Cabbage is one of the most medicinal vegetables you'll find in your garden, or your local grocery store. It contains powerful medicinal compounds that help heal cancer, but one of its best-known uses is as a natural remedy for stomach ulcers. Cabbage has the highest amount of some of the most powerful antioxidants, found in cruciferous vegetables, phytonutrients such as thiocyanates, lutein, zeaxanthin, isothiocyanates, and sulforaphane, which stimulate detoxifying enzymes. Research has shown these compounds to protect against several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. They also help lower the LDL or bad cholesterol levels in blood, which can build up in arteries and cause heart disease. Rich in vitamin K, cabbage provides 85% of the body's daily requirement. This is very important, not only for bone metabolism, but as a known Alzheimer's disease preventative by limiting neuronal damage in the brain. The 54% daily value of vitamin C supplied to the body with one serving of cabbage is impressive, even more than oranges, which can help scavenge harmful, pro-inflammatory free radicals and protect against infection. Cabbage is also an excellent source of fiber, vitamin B6, folate, and manganese, as well as healthy amounts of thiamine vitamin B1, pyridoxine vitamin B6, and pantothenic acid vitamin B5. It also provides iron, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium for strong bones, and potassium for regulating the heart rate and blood pressure. Cabbage healthy recipes. Indian cabbage salad. Procedures: in a heavy skillet over medium heat, heat coconut oil. Add mustard seeds and turmeric, sauté for 1 minute. Stir in cabbage. Add salt, stir fry for a couple more minutes. Add a few tablespoons of water, cover, and let cabbage steam for a couple more minutes. Remove from heat and serve. This recipe makes 4 servings.